I am absolutely willing to die on this hill. There is little to zero chance of any relationship in our day and age and culture that will last outside of God. I have never in my life seen so many people who are completely broken and devastated to the point where they do not even want to date anymore. Women say it is safer and more comforting and easier to remain single than to be in a relationship, get married, and have children. Men are saying that they would rather not get married because they don't want to deal with the responsibilities of a woman and then children because it is too taxing on them. We have strayed so far from God, and this world has become so wicked that people don't even want to date anymore. People don't even want to be in a relationship anymore. And as somebody who also experienced extreme relational betrayal and devastation because I was outside of God's will of my life, I will never make that mistake again. And I don't care how traditional I sound. I don't care if you call me a Bible thumper. Y'all, we have lost the plot. We have strayed so far away from God where everything is twisted. Everything is backwards. Women are having to be masculine. Masculine men are wanting to be feminine. Got to get back on track. That is the only hope for our society. We as a society and a culture need to get back to the basics, get back to God, and allow Him to heal our hearts and renew our minds so that we do not have such a warped mentality and perspective on relationships and marriage and what God intended us to be.